physics in a box concept will help our teachers be able to deliver the type of curriculum that will make a difference to students because it's real and it's applied to what they want to learn about.
Well, I think they're like transformer boxes, so I think they're amazing. It's like all the labs in one box. So it's like, 80 to 100 labs, and everything just fits in a nice little box. Everything is compartmentalized and has a place.
The Physics in a Box curriculum is a curriculum that can reach all of your students. I teach a wide range of students. Some students are already college ready, some students need additional supports. The Physics in a Box curriculum has been something that I can adapt for every single kid in my class.
We researched multiple opportunities, and we know that middle school students in particular are needing hands-on application and practical application of their learning. So for us, Physics in a Box gives all of that to them.
It's way easier to learn with them. I want to go to the mechanical engineer, so for that, literally it's math and physics, everything. For me, it's easier to learn when I can do the things, when I can try and fail, but try again.
It makes it really hands-on and helps teach it in just a different way than just writing problems and stuff. It makes it a little bit more real when you can hold what you're working with and see it.
I think that this box will help kids learn and understand what they're learning better than when they're reading in the books, because it teaches you how to apply what you're learning instead of just reading it and memorizing it. Because sometimes when kids go to school, I feel like they're like, what's the point of me learning this? I'm never going to use it in my life. That's why it's so boring, because no one knows why they need to learn it. But when you see this box and you apply it to all these different projects, it's going to help you understand. You're going to be more interested in what you're learning because you're going to understand that you're going to need it in life.
If you look at nationwide data, math scores have been stagnant for decades, right? And so really we were trying to just target some math gains, and again, physics seems to be mathematical application. You want to build a program and a classroom where kids want to be there, and I really feel like that's what we're seeing. That's the feedback we've gotten from kids and parents. We want to go to physical science, we want to do these experiments, they want to learn, and that's always exciting.
As the STEM contact for the district, I am all about application, real world problems.
We're teaching high school science skills to middle school students. This is well above what the expectation is for them at the state level. So they're going to outperform the standards, but it's really in the application that I think that we're getting our results. We're getting more interest, we're getting more understanding, and I think that where we're going to see our benefits are going to be in our high school science and math.
Kids are way smarter now today than we were. The data shows it, So, and the world that they're going to inhabit is, the technological world that we're living in now and the one that we're going to have in the future is governed by a language of coding. And if you don't understand physics, the whole world, everything in your world is going to look like a mystery, like an unsolved, it's going to look like magic. And if you don't have the right educational background and starting with physics, you're not going to understand none of it, and you're not going to be interested in it, and you have a good chance, I think, of being lost. Of all the things I could tell you to help your community with economic development over the next 10, 20, 30 years, this would be the first thing I'd recommend you do.